What is up, you guys? So today we're taking the Crazycart out, and I know what you're thinking. Oh, what? It's soaking wet, and that's a battery-powered cart. I know. I have a plan. Just trust me. We're gonna go have some fun with it. Hopefully not drop it in this puddle or step in this puddle. Is it gonna fit all the way? I mean, yes, but I still bumped into my car. Hello. A little rain, a little bad weather ain't gonna stop me from having a good time with my new toy. See you guys there. All right. So, we're gonna have to ride through a little bit of the wet to get to the dry, but I think it'll be worth it. If not, it'll be a fun little adventure. Gonna do some maintenance on it soon anyway, so not too worried about it. Plus, it's not that wet. I mean, some spots are, but obviously I'll avoid those. It's even easier to do 360s in the rain. Obviously, I should have known that, but oh, I kind of screwed myself here.
Nice to meet you. I like your little drifter thingy. I forgot the name of them. Crazycart.
Wait, I actually.
Let's see if we can get some more light for you. Is that any better? I don't know if it is. I feel like it's not. I thought there was gonna be more light. Hopefully you guys can understand what's happening. going there for a while. I feel like, I don't know about you guys, you can't do a 360 without pulling the brake or the handle. Shoo! Let's get it! Should I go to the basketball courts? Should I cross the street? It's dying. I'm gonna cross the street. I gotta go. Y'all need to see this. I'm back. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't know why I'm acting like that, but it's kind of fun. Anyways, what's the move? Oh, the sidewalk for sure. Gotta get some speed on this one. Turning around, y'all saw him. Y'all saw him. I want to spy a super secret spot. Boy's a fucking G. Your boy's a G. You gotta get out of here. You gotta get out of here, Get out of here ASAP, y'all. They seen me. It's private property. I don't want to get towed nothing. Gotta get out of here ASAP, y'all. Might have to drift around this loop first, though. Let's go! Yeah, buddy. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, we're still getting it down. We're still getting it down. Yeah, that was a little bit reverse there. Reverse. Right up against the car. Let's go. 360 it. Let's go. Your boy's a killer. It's his first day out. I gotta go. Gotta go before this thing dies. This thing's gonna die. I don't want to get hit. I was about to get hit, see? That's why I'd stop. I'd stop. It ain't worth getting hit. You gotta look both ways. Well, here we go. Here we go. Back over there. Let's go, a double. Gotta say goodbye to Mr. Truck. I got it, but I don't know if you can see, I'm still going in reverse, but I kind of hurt myself there. Let's go, let's go. Woo! With my foot though, dude, I got this. Oh, that's that nasty. Look how close. Oh, with my foot though. With the long curve here. Here we go. No! Oh no! Oh, covered in mud. Oh, it was all up like this. Oh, you can see. Oh man, that's gotta go in my car. I can take my coat off. So, I literally even knew it too, but on my way here I was like, I'm still gonna flip into a puddle or something. And lo and behold, I'm saying, oh, just to end it, and then see if I can get my bag. Here, I'm gonna put you down. Oh no, shit, I don't know how it's gonna work. Or call it a night. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe down below. Subscribe, really help. Be safe. I'll see you next week. Peace out.